The Iranian Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy attempted to capture a U.S. Navy unmanned surface vessel that was operating in the Arabian Gulf on Monday and Tuesday, U.S. Fifth Fleet said in a statement. The Navy stopped the URG-CN support ship from capturing the Saildrone Explorer unmanned surface vessel, which was not named in the news release. The USV does not store sensitive or classified information. It is equipped with commercially available cameras, radars and sensors for data collection and navigation. U.S. Fifth Fleet spotted URG-CN support ship Shahid Baziar towing the USV around 11 p.m. local time Monday, according to the release. Navy patrol coastal ship USS Thunderbolt, which was operating nearby, responded while Fifth Fleet also sent a MH-60S Seahawk from the Helicopter Sea Combat Squadron 26 out of Bahrain. Shahid Baziar detached its towing line from the USV and left the waters about 4 hours after the U.S. responded. URG-CN's actions were flagrant, unwarranted and inconsistent with the behavior of a professional maritime force, Vice Admiral Brad Cooper, the commander of U.S. Naval Forces Central Command, U.S. Fifth Fleet and Combined Maritime Forces, said in the release. U.S. Naval forces remain vigilant and will continue to fly, sail and operate anywhere international law allows while promoting rules-based international order throughout the region.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.